Imagine pressing more weight than 10 loaded SUVs onto a single block of aluminium, then watching that block become a high-performance wheel in seconds. Today we step behind the gates of one of Taiwan's largest forged wheel factories, where raw metal meets precision engineering and the wheels that carry cars around the world are born. Only here at Everyday Things Explain, turning curiosity into clarity. Cast wheels are common, but forged wheels? Their strength, craftsmanship, and performance in one part. Taiwan has become a powerhouse in forging technology, supplying wheels for sedans, SUVs, supercars worldwide. In this factory, thousands of wheels are made each week, each beginning with a chunk of aluminium and ending life under a car. Four key stages of forging wheels. Stage 1. Aluminium billet, heated to extreme temperatures until malleable. Stage 2. 100-ton to 1,000-ton press molds the shape and compresses the metal structure. Stage 3. CNC machining and finishing. Spokes, lips, spoke holes cut with precision. Stage 4. Inspection and testing. Each wheel endures quality checks before shipment. What you see is a sleek silver rim. It's thousands of kilograms of force, hours of work, dozens of machines. Forging isn't just about brute force. It's art and science intersecting, grain flow, metal alignment, pore elimination. These are terms you won't hear in regular production. Less weight equals better performance. More strength equals safer driving. This factory mastered both, and that's why they serve global markets. The wheels you drive may rarely get noticed, but underneath every car they support unsprung mass, deliver performance, absorb abuse. In luxury vehicles, forged wheels are standard. This factory, it's part of that ecosystem. For drivers, less weight, better handling. For engineers, tighter tolerances, global supply. For you and me, a wheel that lasts longer. We talk often about gadgets and new tech, but what about the things that carry the gadget? A wheel? It's every day, but the process, extraordinary. The hidden factories, the massive presses, the precision. This is where excellence hides. And now you've seen it. A chunk of aluminium, thousands of tons of pressure, one perfect wheel. If you love this journey into industrial artistry, subscribe to Everyday Things Explained. Because we don't just show how things are made, we explain why they matter. Next story, it's ready, don't miss it.